Hey guys.
Basically, you have to go on top of that little box up there to hear the train noise.
Yeah. So basically,
over here,
Gorilla Tag may, most likely not, add a train.
Gorilla Tag might be adding trains. So if you come up here, you have to be in a specific spot. You have to be right here, and you can hear it in that direction. Yeah, you hear it. It's over there in that direction.
It's
weird.
Cosmic, quiet.
So I don't know.
I'm hearing it. And also, I jumped down to here and I can hear it.
In that direction now. That's pretty weird. But
Yeah, that was weird.
I have a prediction. You know how canyons getting like constructed?
Yeah, see, canyon's down here.
You know how down here it's all
See,
just like
down here, it's like an abandoned mine shaft. Perfect place to have a train. So I'll go through the tracks, or we can go this way. It's amazing. Gorilla Tag could add a train in here.
so like yeah, it's perfect position constructed. Like, all the
It's an abandoned mine shaft. There's probably still rails around here. It's just perfect place for a train.
tracks, and after they add train tracks, they add a train since they already have the sound.
It's an abandoned mine shaft. There's bound to be tracks around here somewhere.
They also, some person found it in Gorilla Tag's game files, so it's pretty weird.
Yeah, some leaker found the train in Gorilla Tag's game files. That's kind of cool. So now it's pretty much confirmed that it's coming.
That'd be pretty cool.
My prediction?
One inspired it himself.
I have two predictions. Either there's gonna be train down there, or do you know how the second story for shop, there was like a mini train? There's gonna be like a giant train for Christmas, like the Polar Express or
They
something.
added that train in the canyons, but like it wasn't as Christmas. It was like just a regular train because it's all like constructed stuff. So maybe, or if it's not down there, what if we got a train that people can go into, right? What if they made it up here? Because this is still perfect as well. Like it starts, the train track starts over there, and it will end. It'll go all the way around, so it'd be pretty cool.
Yeah, that'd be pretty cool. Also, if they end up making a train track, did you do that spaceship in city? It hasn't just been sitting there for nothing. I have a theory. Most likely not gonna happen. Like, how come that spaceship has stayed there the whole time? When the launch is over, it should leave too. Not likely. Maybe they could add, just like if they add a train, they could add a spaceship that brings you to maybe, just saying, most likely not, a new outer space one. That would be sick. That would actually be sick. People can think different though. Those are just my theories.
In the comments and stuff. But
Yeah. Like, tell me what you think down below in the comments.
because this is pretty weird. Because if Gorilla Tag is adding trains, I don't know why it's in that area, but I might have another prediction. You know how I said it, like you're gonna add train tracks? What if the train tracks what if the train track started over here, and like the train started over here, but like people can get in the train?
I feel like that wouldn't happen though, because like if you're in the train, you can just like hop out and run away. It would just make the game super laggy, but it'd be cool if you did.
Yeah, but it'd still be pretty cool. And Drumming always finds like a way to make the game not laggy. But like, this is all just predictions and.
Also, my prediction, just like how you know, the spaceship, it's been there. It doesn't just sit there, fly, stop flying. Well, I think it might be able, like the train, to take monkeys like us to outer space. Think about how cool that would be. And yeah, those are just my theories. Goodbye. Trying to grow my community bit by bit, trying to have a good community, good strong community. So if you could subscribe, even like the video or comment, that would mean a lot to me. Thank you guys.